This video tutorial I will explain how to schedule a task at fixed delay using annotation. Here I have defined the class schedule task. In this class I have applied at component annotation and at enable scheduling annotation. At enable scheduling annotation ensures that a background task executor is created. Without it, nothing gets scheduled. Here I have defined the method report current time. It prints the current time. In this method, I have applied at schedule annotation and fixed delay is 5 seconds. So every 5 seconds, this method will be executed. Here we have mentioned fixed delay is 5 seconds. So the task always waits until the previous task is completed. To annotate method with at schedule, we have to follow two rules. The first one is the method return type should be void and the method should not accept any parameters. Here we have specified fixed delay is 5 seconds. That is hard coded in the code. To avoid that, we can put this 5 seconds in the property file and we can access like this. This is a Spring configuration file. Here we have specified to do component scan for this package. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading a Spring configuration file. Here you can see the output and here you can see every 5 seconds the task is executed and printing the current time. You can find source code for each example in my blog and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.